Welcome to our channel. If you're looking to future-proof your income and tap into the booming world of artificial intelligence, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're revealing 9 high-income AI skills that are paying anywhere from $50 to $500 per hour in 2025. And the best part? Many of them don't require any tech background or coding experience to get started. From creating stunning AI-generated content to building smart automations that businesses will pay top dollar for, these skills are opening the door to freelance freedom, side hustle success, and even full-time careers. So if you're ready to upgrade your earning potential with cutting-edge AI tools and strategies, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more AI and money-making content, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss an upload. Let's dive into the future and discover which AI skill could be your next six-figure opportunity. Number 1. Prompt engineering. Prompt engineering is one of the most in-demand and valuable AI skills you can learn today. Earning between $50 to $100 per hour, this skill is all about mastering how to communicate with AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini to get exactly the results you want. It's not about coding. It's about being clear, creative, and precise with your instructions. Think of prompt engineering as the secret key to unlocking the full power of AI. Whether you're writing marketing copy, generating content ideas, building workflows, or even training AI for customer service, everything starts with the right prompt. A well-crafted prompt saves time, improves output, and ensures the AI stays on track with your goals. Businesses are already hiring freelancers and consultants who know how to prompt effectively because they understand that good inputs create great outputs. If you can guide AI to create accurate articles, engaging ads, helpful chat responses, or even business strategies, you're offering a highly valuable service. The best part is, you can start learning the skill right now for free. By experimenting with different tools and studying examples online, you'll quickly build the ability to think like an AI whisperer. And once you get the hang of it, you'll realize how prompt engineering can be your launchpad to other high-paying AI careers. Number 2. AI-powered software creation. AI-powered software creation is revolutionizing the way apps are built, and it's opening the door for non-coders to earn big. With platforms like Replit, Retool, and Cursor, you can now build fully functional applications without writing traditional code. This skill is currently paying between $100 to $200 per hour, and demand is only growing as more businesses seek fast, affordable tech solutions. Using these no-code and low-code tools, you can create dashboards, internal tools, CRMs, customer portals, automations, and much more. AI features built into these platforms help you generate code snippets, troubleshoot bugs, and design clean interfaces quickly. What used to take a team of developers can now be done in hours by a single AI-skilled creator. Businesses love this approach because it saves them time, money, and complexity. If you can understand a client's problem and use these tools to deliver a solution that works, whether it's automating a process or building a custom app, you become incredibly valuable. Even if you've never written a line of code, you can start learning these tools today. The key is focusing on real-world problems and using AI to solve them efficiently. Once you master this, you're no longer just a tech enthusiast. You're a problem solver businesses are willing to pay top dollar for. Number 3. AI design and visual creation. It's changing the game for creatives and marketers alike. With powerful tools like MidJourney, Figma AI, and Photoshop AI, you can now produce stunning graphics, logos, mock-ups, and even full website designs in just minutes. This high-impact skill commands rates of $100 to $200 per hour, making it a top choice for freelancers and creative agencies looking to scale fast. These tools don't just save time, they supercharge your creativity. MidJourney can turn text prompts into breathtaking images. Figma AI helps you design beautiful interfaces in record time. And Photoshop AI takes your editing skills to a whole new level with smart object removal, content fills, and design suggestions that work like magic. Clients are looking for fast turnarounds and original designs, and with AI, you can deliver both. Whether it's brand identity packages, social media content, ad creatives, or UI/UX mockups, your ability to produce high-quality visuals quickly sets you apart in a crowded market. You don't need to be a traditional designer to succeed here. What matters most is knowing how to prompt the tools effectively and having an eye for visual storytelling. With a few hours of learning and practice, you could be building a portfolio that attracts high-paying clients from around the world. Number 4. AI video creation and editing. This is quickly becoming one of the most profitable creative skills in the digital space. With powerful tools like Heygen and QSO AI, you can speed up production, cut costs, and deliver professional quality videos at scale. This skill can easily earn you between $100 to $200 per hour, especially if you're creating content for businesses, influencers, or agencies that need fast and consistent output. These tools allow you to do things that used to take hours or even days in just minutes. Heygen lets you create lifelike talking avatars from simple scripts, perfect for explainer videos, tutorials, and ads. QSO AI helps you repurpose long-form content into viral short-form clips optimized for platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. No more spending hours editing, cutting, and subtitling manually. For creators and marketers, this means you can produce more content faster without sacrificing quality. You can offer services like video ads, faceless YouTube videos, AI presenters, or daily short-form content for personal brands, services that businesses are now actively seeking out and willing to pay well for. Even if you're not a video expert, AI tools handle most of the technical work. Your job becomes more about storytelling, timing, and branding. With just a few tools and the right strategy, you can build a freelance business or agency that runs lean, works fast, and earns big. Check the links in the description to try out some of the top tools in this space. Number 5. AI-powered writing. AI-powered writing is one of the most versatile and high-paying skills you can master in today's digital economy. With tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and other advanced AI writing assistants, you can turn long-form content like interviews, podcasts, or blog posts into viral tweets, compelling newsletters, SEO articles, and persuasive sales copy. This skill pays anywhere from $100 to $200 per hour and is in constant demand across industries. What makes this powerful is your ability to train AI to match a specific brand voice. Whether you're writing in a professional, humorous, or storytelling tone, these tools adapt quickly. This means you can serve a wide range of clients, startups, influencers, agencies, coaches, by producing content that sounds just like them, only faster and more efficiently. Instead of starting from a blank page, AI gives you a head start with outlines, drafts, and even polished final copies. Your value comes from refining that content, guiding the AI, and ensuring it aligns with strategy and goals. This workflow is not only time-saving, but it allows you to take on more projects without burning out. If you're already a writer, this is your chance to work smarter and scale. And if you're new to writing, AI can help you build confidence and deliver high-quality results quickly. The future of content creation isn't man or machine, it's the two working together. And those who master that balance will be the ones earning top dollar. Number 6. AI content marketing. It is a game changer for creators, brands, and businesses that want to grow their online presence without the overwhelm. By using AI tools to manage newsletters, podcasts, videos, and social media, you can streamline your entire content operation and earn between $200 to $300 per hour doing it. This is exactly how top influencers and digital entrepreneurs stay consistent and visible across every platform. With the right tools, you can plan, write, and schedule content in a fraction of the time it used to take. AI can help you turn a single podcast episode into blog posts, email newsletters, quote graphics, and short-form video clips, all tailored for specific platforms. This kind of strategic repurposing multiplies your reach and drives more traffic with less effort. Clients love the service because it takes the headache out of content production. You're not just creating posts, you're building systems that work in the background to grow their brand, attract leads, and boost engagement. Whether you're helping a coach launch a weekly newsletter or a business turn webinars into social media gold, your role is essential. This is a high-level, high-impact skill that blends creativity with automation. It's perfect for marketers, virtual assistants, or freelancers looking to scale their services. If you can manage a content ecosystem using AI, you're not just a marketer. You're a growth partner businesses will gladly pay a premium for. Number 7. No-code AI automation. No-code AI automation is one of the most powerful and profitable skills in today's digital world, earning between $300 to $400 per hour. Professionals in this space help businesses streamline operations by building smart custom workflows without writing a single line of code. Using platforms like Make and Zapier, you can connect apps, automate tasks, and create efficient systems that save hours of manual work every day. Think about how much time businesses waste on repetitive tasks, sending emails, updating spreadsheets, transferring data between tools. With no-code automation, you can eliminate all that by setting up AI-powered workflows that run in the background. From lead capture and follow-ups to order processing and content distribution, automation frees up time for the tasks that actually move the needle. What makes this skill so valuable is that you're not just saving time, you're unlocking scalability. Clients can now handle more work without hiring more people. Whether it's automating client onboarding, syncing data across platforms, or integrating AI chatbots for support, you become the engine behind their growth. You don't need to be a programmer to succeed here. All you need is a problem-solving mindset and the willingness to explore these no-code tools. Once you learn how to identify bottlenecks and build solutions, you'll find clients everywhere, from startups and solopreneurs to large teams looking to optimize. And because the impact is so immediate, they'll pay handsomely for the results you deliver. Number 8. AI-driven data analysis. This is one of the most strategic skills you can offer in 2025. With businesses drowning in data but starving for insights, those who can harness AI to make sense of the numbers are in high demand. This skill pays between $300 to $400 per hour because it's not just about analyzing spreadsheets. It's about helping companies make smarter, faster, and more profitable decisions. Using AI tools, you can quickly clean messy datasets, organize unstructured information, and even enrich lead data by pulling insights from public sources. Instead of manually sorting thousands of rows, AI can highlight trends, spot gaps, and generate actionable reports in minutes. Whether it's customer behavior, sales performance, or marketing campaigns, your analysis can directly impact growth. What sets this apart is your ability to turn complex information into clear, valuable recommendations. You're not just crunching numbers, you're delivering insights that drive conversions, reduce churn, and uncover hidden opportunities. For startups and enterprises alike, this kind of clarity is priceless. You don't need to be a data scientist to get started. With AI assistants built into platforms like Excel, Google Sheets, and more advanced tools like ChatGPT Code Interpreter or Tableau with AI integrations, the heavy lifting is automated. Your role is to ask the right questions and guide the AI to deliver insights that matter. And once you master that, you become an asset every business wants on their team. Number 9. AI agent development. AI agent development is quickly becoming the most in-demand and highest-paying AI skill, with top professionals earning between $400 to $500 per hour. And here's the exciting part. You don't need to be a programmer to get started. Using no-code tools, you can now build smart, autonomous agents that act like digital employees, handling tasks such as sales outreach, customer support, appointment setting, lead qualification, and even onboarding. These AI agents work 24/7, never take breaks, and can be trained to interact with customers, answer questions, send follow-ups, and route conversations, all without human supervision. Businesses love them because they dramatically reduce labor costs, improve response times, and increase overall efficiency. When you build one of these agents, you're not just providing a service, you're delivering a solution that saves money and drives revenue. What makes this skill so powerful is its flexibility. You can design agents to plug into CRMs, email platforms, chat apps, or customer service tools. With platforms like ChatGPT, Flowise, or even custom GPT integrations, you can craft unique workflows tailored to a business's exact needs without touching a line of code. And as companies continue to adopt AI, this kind of customized automation is only going to get more valuable. If you're looking for the fastest path to six-figure freelancing or starting a scalable AI agency, this is it. AI agent development combines creativity, strategy, and automation into one powerful service. Master it, and you won't just be part of the AI revolution, you'll be leading it. And that's a wrap-up. We've just walked through 9 powerful AI skills that can earn you between $50 and $500 per hour in 2025, and the best part is most of them don't require a technical background to get started. Whether you want to freelance, launch a digital business, or just earn extra income on the side, these AI-driven opportunities are real, scalable, and growing fast. Now it's your turn to take action. Start experimenting with the tools we talked about, build your first project, or even offer a service on a freelance platform. The future belongs to the creators, problem solvers, and innovators who learn how to use AI to work smarter, not harder. Every one of these skills can lead to long-term income, time freedom, and a career you actually enjoy. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like to support the channel. Leave a comment below and let us know which AI skill you're most excited to learn, or if you're already using any of them. And don't forget to share this video with a friend or colleague who wants to future-proof their income. Finally, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more videos like this. We're dropping weekly content on AI, digital income, and smart strategies to help you grow and thrive in the future of work. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.